Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about some very useful shortcuts for Eclipse. First is Ctrl Shift and T for finding classes even from jar. So let us see how it is working. Ctrl Shift and T will get a window. Open type is the title of the window. So say I am searching for a class, that name is test format. Test. So you can see test format class is inside com.dev package. So same way, if I'll search inbuilt class or Java class loader, you can see that is also inside java.lan package. So you can search a class whichever you have written, or a class whichever inside a jar. So this is the use of Alt Shift and T shortcut. Next is Alt Shift and R for finding any resources files, including config file, XML file, etc. So let us see how it is working. So Alt Shift and R. So open resource is the title of the window. Now if I'll search a class test format, you can see here the matching item is showing. Now I am searching for XML file, my XML. You can see my XML is showing here. Double click, it will open my XML. So any file you want to search, you can use a shortcut Ctrl Shift and R. Next is Ctrl 1 for quick fix. For example, here I will give a comment. This knowingly I have not did a spelling mistake for this is a comment. So you can see here this is not correctly spelled. To do a quick fix, you can press Ctrl and 1. Ctrl and 1. See, you can see change to this, thus the. So that is a quick fix. So I will change to this. For a quick fix, you can press Ctrl and 1. Ctrl Shift O for organize imports. Let us do one thing. I commented this. For example, commented everything. Now you can see these imports are never used, but it is there. To remove all unwanted imports, you can press Ctrl Shift O. If you press Ctrl Shift O, it will remove all unwanted imports from your class. Next is Alt right and Alt left for going back and forth while editing. So let us see how Alt right and Alt left is working. So this is a line I have selected. You can see this line how I can move up and down. So press Alt, then you press up arrow, it will go off the line, exact line whichever you have selected. If you press down arrow, it will come down. So this is the use of Alt, up arrow and down arrow. Same way left and right also you can use. Next is Alt Shift W for show package explorer. Alt Shift W. You can see here showing a shortcut to package explorer, history, navigator, project explorer, these things. Next is Control Shift up and down for navigating member to member variables. For example, my cursor is in the first line. I want to move the last line. So Alt Shift and down arrow. Alt Shift up, it will go move the cursor to off. Alt Shift down, move the cursor to the down. Next is Control K and Control Shift K to find previous, next and previous. For example, this is the my list variable. I want to check wherever I used in the class. So Control and K, it will show you. This is saying the same name here, here, here. Wherever the same text is available, it will search for you. And to shift, Control Shift and K, just it will go in the reverse way. Next is Eclipse F3. This Eclipse shortcut is very useful to see function definition very quickly. For example, I have declared here one more function. I'll call this function somewhere here. Now to go to this function directly, I'll press F3. See, if you press F3, it will come directly to the function. For example, system current time millis. This is also a method. If you press F3, it will go to system class, but this jar is not attached, so it is not showing the exact class method. Control plus slash for commenting and uncommenting the lines. Control slash, you can see, or you can select 3 lines and control, it will comment line by line. control slash. Similarly, if you use control slash, it will comment, and control slash, it will remove also if it is already commented. Next is control shift slash for commenting on commenting line with blocks. I selected three line, control shift slash. You can see it is commenting the block at a time all and uncommenting also. Next is control L to go to line. Control L. Say I want to go to line 23. This is how it works. Control Shift F for format. If you have a inbuilt formatter configured in your Eclipse, and if you press select all, Control Shift and F, it will format your code based on your formatter configuration. If you have no formatter inbuilt, then it will go for the default formatter. Next is Control F, find replace. Control F, you can see find and replace window is coming. Next is Control D to delete a line. See, I have this line. I have my cursor in the line number 19. If I press Control D, that line got deleted. So that is the use of Control D. These are very useful shortcuts for Eclipse. For you can use it when it requires.